it's Rob from Rob Shadow Tech, and today I'm going to show you how you can have a desktop mode like Wireless DeX on your Samsung A52 5G. And here it is. So how have we done that? Well, if you refer back to my Essential PH1 video and the subsequent one, enabling on wireless, that's exactly the same as we've done. There are some differences because we have Android 11 on the A52 5G. But we'll just go through, we'll just summarise what we've done on the phone. So the settings that we've enabled are in developer mode. So if we scroll down to the bottom, we've got developer options, scroll the way down. We've got force activities to be resizable, enable freeform windows, force desktop mode. There's a freeform size compact, we can have a look at enabling that as well, see what that does. And once we've enabled those, the other thing we did was we installed the taskbar from the Play Store. So if we go into the taskbar options, under desktop mode, primary launch we set to One UI, but the taskbar is set to the default home app when we're in desktop mode. Lock and dim screen when you're active, may be useful, may not be. Input method fix, we've enabled that anyway. Additional settings, so this is where you send the command from your ADB shell. So we covered that in the original video on enabling desktop mode using the Essential PH1. So please refer to that video if you've never done this before. Display density, we're using 160 dpi here. We can only set that once we've enabled those additional options. So the default 120 makes everything too big, as you can see behind. Notice the icon's getting bigger. If we go back down to 160, it's much more useful. So that's what we've enabled on here. So if I move the phone out of the way, we'll actually show it working. So we have like a taskbar similar to what we get on Windows. So we can tap on there, and we get all of our apps popping up here. And we can use drag. So let's launch Word and see what happens when we launch Word. So we're configuring for the first time. I don't think there's any documents that we've created previously. No. Now you'll notice that the window is quite small. So to change the size of that, see there's a blue bar at the top. Tap on there, and we get some options. So one of them is to maximise. So if we tap on there, there we go. And we can create a document. So let's create a document. And we'll just create a blank document. Now, unfortunately the keyboard's popped up, so we need to go into our keyboard options and stop that from happening. Because when we've got a physical keyboard, we don't actually want the keyboard to pop up. So let's see what options we have. There we go. And now, as you can see, we've got all of the options at the bottom. For setting, so we can do things like insert pictures, we can set font sizes, we can put bullet points. So let's do some bullets. So 1, 2, 3. We can change the font size, etc. So, you know, quite usable actually. Other options we got. We can change font color. And we can change the font size and the type of text that we're using. So we can set it bold, we can change the font, so let's switch to Arial, which is one of the more common ones. and then we can just minimise it. So there we go. And we should find now it's a different font. There you go. So, and we're in bold, so let's take bold off. We've missed 4. So pretty much how we would edit a document, we can do that now using our wireless mode. So obviously one of the other good things about this is for watching videos, so we can use Alt F4 in the same way that we can use Alt F4 in Windows. We can use the Windows shortcuts on here. I think we've got YouTube. There we go. So let's again. There's no sound on, unfortunately, because we don't have a speakers plugged into this particular monitor, but we can skip ads. So I should be able to skip ads. Okay, well, there you go. Anyway, if you like the video, please feel free to like and if you want to subscribe to the channel where we'll be doing a lot more stuff, please feel free to do so. If you've got any suggestions for content, please leave a comment and I'll show some additional bits and pieces. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye now.